नमस्कार. आम्ही KTC ड्रायव्हर्स अलायड एम्प्लॉईज असोसिएशन एफिलिएटेड टू AITUC हाच्या वतीन आयचो धाकटुलो तुमच्या फुडें प्रेस मीट घेतात. कित्याक आमी 27 फेब्रुवारी 19 दिसाचो 21 डेज स्ट्रायक नोटीस दिल्लो. तो स्ट्रायक नोटीस दितकूच सगळी सरकाराची यंत्रां चलोवंक लागली वा घुवंक लागली आणि त्याच्या अनुसार लेबर कमिशनर इंटरव्हीन जालो, मिनिस्टर इंटरव्हीन जाले, चीफ मिनिस्टराक आमी मेळ्ळे आणि त्याच बरोबर आमचो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर श्री मोविन गुडिनो ताणेंय आमकां आमंत्रीत केले. डायरेक्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट प्रमेवाल अभिषेक आणि त्याच बरोबर मॅनेजिंग डायरेक्टर ऑफ कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन, जनरल मॅनेजर महेंद्र पेडणेकार आणि तशेंच सगळे मेळून आमी फिनान्स सेक्रेटरी सुद्दां पार्ट ऑफ द मिटींग, चीफ सेक्रेटरी फुडें मिटींग जाली आणि अशें करून खुबश्यो मिटींग्यो ड्युरींग द 21 days देर वॉज कंटिन्युअस मुवमेंट. जावं मोर्चा म्हूण, कामगारांच्यो मिटींग्यो म्हूण सगळे हें करून आमी एक वातावरण तयार जालें. जातूं कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन कामगारांचे खुबश्यो पोरने जुने इश्यूज जे सेटल जावपाच्या पावंड्यार लागले आणि ताचो काल फलितांश म्हणल्यार रिजल्ट म्हणल्यार काल लेबर कमिशनरा फुडें मिनिट्स जाले. डेप्युटी लेबर कमिशनर मिस्टर प्रसाद पेडणेकार ताच्या फुडें आमी मिनिट्स सायन मारले अंड दिस वन मेमोरंडम ऑफ कॉन्सिलिएशन आणि तातूंत व्हेरी क्लियरली एक मुख्य प्रश्न 34 months एरियर्स जो आसलेलो कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन कामगारांक 7th पेचो तो दिवपाक कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट एग्री जालो थ्रू अ कायंड ऑफ अ मॉड्युलेटेड स्कीम. ही स्कीम जावन आसा इन सच अ वे दॅट तेणी म्हणलां की वी आर गोइंग टू implement advanced digital ticketing solutions which can improve the ridership and efficiency of revenue collection by more efficient utilization of assets including land, buildings, etc. to ensure timely collection of the revenues earned through its assets and infrastructure. जे हाचो अर्थ असो की जो कितें वाडटा 184 crores 2023-2024 financial year government of Goa Kadambak dila as subsidy. Kidak Kadamba is doing a big social taking social responsibility for the people of Goa and 24/7 we are available to the people to serve people. So in view of that, government of Goa is because actual to pay the salaries and all 184 crores every year they are giving as of latest this one is 184 crores. Then this particular increase in the revenue will benefit the Kadamba Transport Corporation आणि Kadamba Transport Corporation and थारयला आणि गव्हर्मेंटांनी थारयलां की जो पळय एक्सेस रेवेन्यू जाता दर year on जो जाता बिकॉज yesterday मिनिस्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट सेट 20% रेवेन्यू वाडटा दर वर्सा. 20% इफ इट इनक्रीजेस आय एम शुअर ते तोंडान गिशक्कर म्हणटा पूण हांव म्हणटा even 10 to 12% which is there in the minutes, if it increases then the government the Kadamba Transport Corporation can pay arrears in installments. So that is एक issue clear. दुसरो provident fundaचो issue जो आसलेलो December 2009 आमचो provident fund 12%ाचो तेणी देंवयलो 10% केलो. 10% तो सिलींग घालो आणि आयज कामगार त्यांचो जो पेन्शनेबल सॅलरी जो आसा तेका फक्त 1,800 रुपया वता दर कामगाराचे, जावं तो ऑफिसर जावं तो कामगार. सो ते आतां बदलता. चीफ सेक्रेटरी फुडें मिटींग जाली, पंचायत मिनिस्टरा लेगीत मिटींग जाली. दे हॅव एग्रीड टू रेस्टोर प्रॉव्हिडंट फंड with effect from 1st April 2025 to 12% on the total PF based salary. which means if somebody is earning 40,000 basic DA, VDA, ADA, then on that 40,000 they will get 12%, which is 4,800 as against 1,800, which is a big step. जे कामगार आता वर्तमान कालाचेर काम करता त्यांका जो benefit ha direct, like glucose going directly into the bloodstream. This is a good benefit. The other thing for the past, because all the retired workers from December 2009, they are very close to our heart. We will pursue that matter. We will see that some government or authorities, Kadamba, something, some solution is worked out for the workers who are retired. That is the commitment of the workers. That is also there. In the minute that it will be discussed, it's an ongoing discussion. It is not closed. Chappar घालूंक ना, तेजेर धांकणें घालूंक ना. आनी तशेंच 300 diesel buses procure करूंक जाय अशें म्हणलां आमी. कित्याक interstate buses have to be serviced. ताका लागून immediately governmentan, ever since our campaign, 80 diesel buses are procured. More are going to be procured. हे आमकां आश्वासन दिलां. तशेंच आमचे जे कामगार आहा 5-5, 6-7, 7-8, 10 वर्सां टेम्पररी म्हणून आहा, बदली म्हणून आहा, त्या बदली कामगारांक तेणी परमनंट करता म्हणलां as and when there are vacancies. आणि त्याच बरोबर जे कोण 5 वर्सां काम करता त्यांका immediately गव्हर्नमेंट म्हणल्यार कदंबा परमनंट कामगाराचे पे स्केल आनी बेनिफिट्स तांकां मेळटलो. पगार म्हणल्यार जाचो समज पगार हा 25,000 or 23,000, तो immediately will go like permanent worker, permanent driver, permanent conductor, जो पे स्केल हा ताका मेळटलो. आनी उरलेले जे इश्यूज आहात खुबशे, आमी 12 डिमांड घाल्ले, ते वन बाय वन वेचे सगळे इलस्ट्रेट करून ताचेर आमकां तेणी सांगलां we will discuss all these issues. Now 2 issues, माझी बस स्कीम आणि जो outsourcing of work and contract on electric buses. आमी स्लोगन दिल्लो सेव कदंबा म्हणून. Save Kadamba from these deviant kind of measures which are atypical for Kadamba, which are not in the interest of Kadamba. So we have said that these Maji bus scheme आणि त्याच बरोबर ते EV buses on contract, where the driver is appointed by the contractor and whatever is earned goes to the contractor, he appoints, we are against it. आणि ताका लागून हे 2 आहा, तेजेर आमकां कांय सोल्युशन मेळोंक ना, बट आर कॅम्पेन अगेन्स्ट दॅट कंटिन्यूज. सो इश्टानो, वी हॅव डिसायडेड की जो स्ट्रायक नोटीस आमी दिल्लो आनी जो स्ट्रायक 19th जावपाचो, काल तुमी आयकलां मिनिस्टर ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट, ही डिक्लेअर्ड, बिकॉज वेन वी मेट हिम वी हॅड टोल्ड हिम that if the minutes are signed before the Labour Commissioner, which happened on 19th, that we will we'll defer the strike. We are not going to go and disrupt anything in the interest of the public and in the interest of fair and proper behavior. And as a responsible union, आम्ही सगळ्या कामगारांक सांगून यो स्ट्रायक आम्ही डिफर केला. आम्ही कमिटी सगळे लिडर्स जे कदंबाचे, आमचो प्रेसिडेंट आमचो चंद्रकांत चोडणकर, सगळ्यांक आम्ही त्यांची हे करतात स्तुती एज AITUC. आम्ही त्याच बरोबर आमकां जेन्ना मुख्यमंत्री मेळ्ळो आमच्या डेलिगेशनाक आनी ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर मेळ्ळो, दे हॅव ऑल्सो सेड वी विल see that whether we can give you one installment immediately. अशें सांगलां. So we leave it to them and we are confident that they will do something, because काल press conference आमचो बाब मोविन गुडिनो, Minister for Transport, ताणें सुद्दां डिक्लेअर केलां की I will see that one installment is paid to the workers immediately. So we thank him. We thank the Honorable Chief Minister. We thank everyone who has supported us. We are very disturbed is that on the heels, when we were about to, strike notice Jadna Bhairavi illi, because we were deferring it, and we had said that we are deferring it. government should not have put ESMA. ESMA was not required. And we are, as a trade union, national trade union body, as a trade union body, one of the foremost trade union bodies and organization, we want to record our total opposition to the imposition of ESMA. You are imposing ESMA at a drop of a hat. It is not acceptable. It means you don't trust workers. You don't trust us. That is a expression of distrust. तुम्ही आणि आमकां विचारतात, don't you trust us? When you don't trust us, how can you trust us? How can we trust you? So this is a sign of weakness. This is a sign of distrust, and this is a sign of bad faith. So this is not acceptable. And that is what I want to record. And I want to tell the judiciary and all those who are people of goodwill that they must oppose these kind of measures, whether it is against transport workers, whether it is against pharmaceutical workers, whether against any toiling people who are struggling for their rights. Thank you. An expression of lack of faith and trust in the working people of Goa. Government has expressed that they don't trust us. That is not something good. So I appeal to the Honorable Chief Minister and the powers that be, the use of ESMA or even promulgation, even the thought is a negative thought. They must shun it. They must even scrap it from the statute books. Engage the workers. कामगाराला उलयात, कामगार युनियनाला उलयात, आणि कामगार प्रतिनिधीला उलयात, आणि प्रश्न मिटयात. कित्याक nobody could stop us if we wanted to go on a strike. But we are people who are honed in this, and we understand the movements of society, and we know that we have to act responsibly. When we are faced with such a kind of a organization, you promulgate ESMA. What does it show? It doesn't. Not only it doesn't. It is not a good sign that the government fears people. Government fears an organized working class. Government should befriend. Government should understand. Government should empathize and not use these draconian measures, even if they are on the statute book.
Okay.
I thank you, comrades.
Okay, out of control of government.
Yes.
So त्याचं revenue static आहे ना?
तो static येना. आणि तो EV buses जे आसा, EV buses for us is like हम आपके हैं कौन? As far as EV buses are concerned, हम आपके हैं कौन? This is the problem.
But सगळे facilities ते state government दिता, charging हे ते.
Yeah. Yes. पाणीच्या निमतान मुस्कल जाडा उदक. That is the position. So जे पळय कितें EV बसी आहा त्यो आमकां दिसता बरें. दिसतात हें सांगतालो हांव की दिसतात सगळ्यांक दूध न्ही. धवें दिसता तें सगळ्यांक दूध न्ही. So we are not happy with this one system. The government and Kadamba has to campaign, management of Kadamba, and our Honorable Minister should campaign that this EV buses are brought under the umbrella and the accountability of Kadamba Transport Corporation.
Why is our Goa minister is supporting it if he is not getting any revenue?
See, government, Goa government, I cannot speak for them, but we can only, we have put up our issue before the Honorable Chief Minister. We have put up the issue on all Transport Minister and in front of everybody on Maji bus scheme on one hand, and second one is EV buses. We call it outsourcing of bus system, and this outsourcing and this giving it in the hands of contractor is not acceptable at all. That is part of the philosophy of the ruling dispensation. Let me put it.
Thank you.
So that needs to be changed, and I can say that as a national federation, I'm the vice president there. We are campaigning actively against it. Besides Kadamba Transport Workers, मी कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशनाचे युनियनाचे लीडर आणि मॅनेजमेंट ऑफ कदंबा ट्रान्सपोर्ट कॉर्पोरेशन लेबर कमिशनरा फुडें बसून आम्ही सेटलमेंट केला. तो सेटलमेंट जो एक आय एम सॉरी दिस फेलो इज डिस्टर्ब